On Friday, apart from the Tripura High Court, the Lok Adalat was held in all district and sub-divisional court premises of the state. A total of 11,346 cases was taken up for disposal in 66 benches. The Chief Justice of Tripura, Aparesh Kumar Singh, has visited the Lok Adalat in all districts and benches.
The National Lok Adalat was held on Friday for the disposal of 11,346 cases across the state. Out of this 11,346 cases, there are 5,070 cases related to pre-litigation dispute and 6,276 cases pending in court. 4,393 cases related to payment of bank loans in Lok Adalat. 292 cases related to motor accident compensation, 6 cases related to consumer court, 677 cases related to unpaid bills of telecommunication corporation, 5,576 cases related to arbitrable criminal dispute, bounce check 97 cases, 34 other civil cases, 21 contempt cases and 12 land acquisition case was taken up for disposal. A bench was also held in the Tripura High Court. 80 cases was taken up for disposal on this bench. A maximum of 11 benches of Lok Adalat was held on Agartala Court premises. The Chief Justice of Tripura High Court, Aparesh Kumar Singh, has visited the Lok Adalat in all the district and benches.
Such a Lok Adalat help in settling black bloc cases?
Lok Adalat or alternative dispute resolution mechanism आज के डेट में today is a very successful method of settling disputes beyond the regular courts, because the court's pendency are huge and not all cases need to go through the channel of regular judgment and then appeal and revision and up to the highest court. So through this ADR mechanism, whether it is Lok Adalat or mediation, other means judicial settlement, National Lok Adalat, the cases are settled with the consent of the parties and it reduces the burden of the regular courts, and secondly the parties are satisfied that they do not go higher in appeal or revision, etc. And their energies are concentrated in doing their own jobs. Somebody is a teacher, somebody is a doctor, somebody a businessman. Why should everyone keep running to the courts? If their matter is settled through amicable means, then they will do their job. They will do their job sincerely, and that will contribute to the overall growth of our society and our country and our state. So that is why this ADR mechanism is something which has come to stay, and it is getting more and more successful. In fact, in the last 2 years, during the NALSA has been spearheading this, and record-breaking performance every time. You know that. Pre-litigation cases, pending litigation cases. So this is a very vibrant method of settling disputes where party go back happily. Both there is win-win situation.
Without spending any money.
And there is an award which becomes final. So there is no subjection to appeal, etc. It's very successful.
The Chief Justice of Tripura High Court, Aparesh Kumar Singh, says the Lok Adalat helps on the court premises to help the citizen and also help to lessen the burden of the court. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.